What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Sham and I'm back with another video. Today is November 24th and it is Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving. I'm whispering you guys because it's literally 5:40 in the morning. Look you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see it you guys? It's 5:40 in the morning. And I'm actually up checking my turkey. 1 second you guys. I'm up at this time right now you guys because I started my turkey, my collard greens and my oxtails. Let's take a look at them. Here's the turkey you guys. It's inside of the bag. My camera is about to die, so I'm about to hurry up and show you guys. That's the turkey. It's all juicy. There go the collard greens you guys. Let me show y'all them oxtails, how them oxtails come in. And here is the oxtails, you guys. But your girl about to let the camera charge and I'll be right back with you guys. You guys, as I was saying, I'm making Thanksgiving dinner. Well, I'm making it early right now, you guys. It was about 5:40 when I turned the camera on. It is now 6:12. My battery was dead, both of them, so I had to charge one out for a little bit, you guys. But yeah, right now, I showed you guys that I made my turkey, my collard greens, and my oxtail. I have a long ways to go, but yeah. Now I'm making my banana pudding. And you guys, I was supposed to go to work tonight, you guys. So much happened, like literally so much on the Thanksgiving Eve. Like that's terrible. Yeah, but right now I'm just cutting up my strawberries. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is all in a way. This is my little blender, a mixer for my okay, that's my little mixer for the pudding. I just already mixed up the pudding, you guys, and right now I'm just cutting up the strawberries. Yeah, but how do you guys feel about Thanksgiving? I know that's like everybody's favorite holiday because you get to eat whatever you want. And this me in this household, I do not discriminate. I make everything for us, you guys. Yeah, I'm making, you know, the regular, making turkey oxtails, of course. You guys already know that. Turkey oxtails, chicken, turkey wings. And when I mean chicken, you guys, I mean the whole chicken. And then mac and cheese, collard greens, stuffing, or so you guys might know it as dressing. Sweet potato, yams. I think I'm saying it right. White rice, banana pudding. I forgot right now the rest, but I'll let y'all know as we go. Yeah. So I'll just, you know, turn the camera on to let you guys see what I was doing. Take y'all on the process with me because, like I said, I don't never post like my full cooking videos, you guys. But yeah, here's a little dabble, a little this and that. How y'all been though? Did y'all like our Walmart vlog? If you haven't done so, make sure you guys go check it out. I still have another video to post. I haven't posted yet because my computer is acting so stupid. But trust me, it'll be posted. It was when I cooked. When I made the nachos, you guys. So just stay tuned for that video because it's going to be posted. You see, your girl ain't playing with these uploads. Your girl is not playing by any means. The holidays is here and your girl got to upload, work or not, period. I'm not about to play with y'all. What's going on? What y'all eating for Thanksgiving? Let me know what's good. I want to hear about all the stuff, like, you know, if it's things that I didn't make or that you guys family make differently from me. Oh, and you guys, when I said banana pudding, I meant strawberry banana pudding. So that's why y'all see me cutting up the strawberries right now. Oops. Yeah, I have my pudding already done right here and here, you guys. And then look what I use. That's differently. Well, people probably use it now, but look, I use the mini wafers, like the little small ones. Excuse the lighting, you guys. As I told y'all, it is 6 in the morning, so it's still dark outside in Jersey. And then I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. I just wanted to say hi and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a very happy Thanksgiving. Eat all the food that you would like, because I know I am, I know we are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You're gonna be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, here is the banana pudding. It is done, and I have to go in the refrigerator. Boom. Alright, you guys, I'm back, and it is now 7:07, and so far I got done a banana pudding. I'm making the turkey wings right now, you guys. I'm seasoning the turkey wings. I have a strawberry cake. I showed you guys the turkey, the collard greens, and the oxtails. So that's what I have done so far. I'm just dibbling and dabbling here and there with everything, you guys. I'm finna put some gloves on and work my magic all up and through these freaking turkey wings, and then inject them. I'm gonna inject them. What I injected the turkey with, you guys. When I mean that turkey is so tender. That turkey is so tender, and it is so good. It's juicy and all that. It's all that. And then I'm gonna get started with the sweet potatoes. Yup, show your girl working her way through. She's working her magic. Like everything that I'm gonna be cooking. Yeah. So just stay tuned, you guys. But if you guys would like a video on just how I make my mac and cheese, let me know. And I hook y'all up, like, you feel me? Look who's woke, you guys. Mara.
Mommy.
Say hi, guys.
Mommy.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Mommy.
You guys, right now we are about to put the icing on the cake. You ready, mama? We have the Funfetti vanilla. I don't know why it's so dark, you guys. I guess it's just my give you. What are you doing? What is you doing, ma'am? You guys, she only been up for about 5 seconds. Say hi, guys. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, guys.
Yes. Don't mind my kitchen. It's a little messy right now. Y'all know what's going on. I don't got no dishes in the sink, though. Period. Say period. Say happy Thanksgiving. Guys, I think I already told you guys, but I marinated my turkey wings.
This is me. This is me.
They're in the oven. I gotta do my chicken.
Chicken wings.
Don't ask me why I'm preparing all this food, because I do, because sometimes my family or my friends come over to get plates, you guys. So yeah, that's why I'm forever making Thanksgiving. You scared? I'm not gonna drop it. That's why I'm forever make Thanksgiving, you guys. As long as I know how to cook, as long as that food gonna get made, period. Babe, stop yelling. Y'all see a couple people up. Mary woke. Everybody woke except for Zayden. Zayden swear he work at Amazon. Zayden swear he work at Amazon, babe.
Morning. You already know we did this too.
Period.
What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Yeah, very peachy.
Alright, come on over here. Put it, not for your mouth. Here, some for your mouth. And then we gotta put it on the cake. Look, mamas. Ooh. Put some on the cake. You trying to eat it, girl. Come on. Yay.
Yay, Bobby.
It's pretty. Come on, put some more. Put some. Yay. More.
Yay, Bobby.
Good job, Pootie. Yeah, more. We're gonna put all of
Yay,
it.
Bobby.
Yay, Booty.
Yay.
Yes, look at our cake, you guys. It looks so yummy. High five, my girl.
Yay.
The kids helped me slicing some of the sweet potatoes. Zayda did it already. Zayda, come say hi. I know, but the camera wasn't recording when you said hi.
Hi.
Gotta get the rest of his hair done, you guys, so he don't want to really be in the camera too much. Look at my baby's hair. You guys, your girl got the yams going on. Y'all see what's going on. Look at these. Like, when I mean this kitchen smells so good, y'all. This kitchen smells deliciosos. Alright, you guys, I am back. It is now 1:36 in the afternoon. I still look the same. I didn't adjust anything. Right now, your girl is making her mac and cheese. Let me just show y'all a little bit. This is what the mac and cheese look like right now, you guys. Y'all can't even really see it. Like, this lighting not even doing justice. But y'all see what's going on. I do not play, okay? Don't play with her. I got some of that I grated myself. I have water boiling for my rice. Let's see what's up in here. Okay, let's show y'all. Is my chicken right there. My yams. Yeah, so we halfway done. I gotta make the I have to make the cornbread. And I'm making the rice, and I think, oh, and my pies, you guys, and then I'm done. Period. So, just stay tuned. And then your girl gotta fix up a little bit and stuff. Then get dressed and stuff, and then I'm gonna hit y'all back. When I hit y'all back, I'm gonna be looking like a whole brand new woman. Your girl gotta get some rest first. I'm sorry, cause I'm tired. So whoever think they come over, y'all gotta wait, bruh. Cause like, I'm sleepy. Yeah, but like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Sham, and I'll be back. Happy Thanksgiving! Alright, you guys, I just had to turn the camera back on to show y'all the before. Y'all see all that daggone cheese? Yummy! I hope it look good. Let me see. Let me try to fix the lighting some more. This is the before, and y'all gonna see the after. Alright, you guys. Hush. Alright, you guys, everything is finally. Don't hit me. Everything is finally done, you guys. I still did not change, but I'm going to show you guys every single thing I've made. I'm going to start over here. You ready to eat? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I'm showing them the food, mamas. Okay, right here we have the collard greens. We have the stuffing. You guys, it's not giving justice, like, but that's the stuffing. We have the white rice. We got the dinner rolls with the butter on it. We have some cornbread. It's cinnamon cornbread, you guys. That's why it looks so dark. Then to the meat, we have some oxtails. Let me try to show you guys what the oxtails look like. We have some good old oxtails. You guys don't mind Mora in the back. She just rude. We got turkey. We have a chicken. There's the candy yam. There is the turkey wings. Gravy, of course. And there is the mac and cheese. It's the dessert. We have some strawberry cake that y'all seen in the other clip me and Mora made. And then there is our strawberry banana pudding. So y'all see we about to eat good, right? Y'all see we about to eat good. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all already know the vibe. Your girl Sham, I did that. You heard? I did that. Alright? I did that. This is me every year. This is me every year, y'all. Fix the lighting. Hush. She been cutting up all day, so whatever. But this is me. Every freaking Thanksgiving. I be cooking like 80 people about to come to my crib. But whatever, your girl gotta eat good. Let me show y'all again what's the hype about. There go the hype. That's the hype. The hype. You feel me? There it go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Put y'all on. I don't know how to turn the flash on here, y'all. Everything once again. Your girl cannot wait to eat. I'm gonna show y'all my plate. What's that? Oh, the oxtail. I'm gonna show y'all my plate once I make it. I'm about to make all of our plates. Put the banana pudding up and do a TikTok, of course. If y'all have not followed my TikTok, make sure y'all follow my TikTok at Shamy. That's SHAMYEATZ. Okay, I'm about to do my TikTok and I'll be back once I plate my food. Alright, you guys, I made my plate. I made my plate and this thing is thangin', okay? Let me show y'all real quick. Look at that. There go the collard greens, the stuffing or dressing, whatever. Let me see. The mac and cheese, the chicken, the turkey, oxtails in a cut over there. There go my rice, the yams. Look at that plate, y'all. That thing look nice. I hope everybody have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. Because we're going to enjoy ourselves. Stop eating my food, girl. We're going to enjoy ourselves after I eat this. I'm going to finally get in the shower, you guys. Finally wash my butt. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded. It's your girl, Sham.
And your boy Zayden.
Your boy, Zayden. And of course, y'all know Mora over there destructive stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna start another vlog after this one, you guys. Maybe. Alright, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Peace out.